Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. Dear students, in this class I am going to explain exercise 1.1 problems. Exercise 1.1. Write first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference are given as follows. Children, first understand the main. Here they are given the values of A and D. We need to find first four terms. Let's see the first problem. A equals to 10, D equals to 10. Here first term is 10, hence always A1 equals to 10. A1 is nothing but A only. And A2 we can write like A plus D. You may ask how we are writing A2 as A plus D. This we have written with the help of general term that we learnt in our earlier video. If you have not watched that video, kindly watch that video and come back here. Now let us substitute the values of A and D. We'll get 10 plus 10. It gives the sum 20. Next, can you guess A3 how can we write? Yes, A3 we can write it as A plus 2D. Now substitute the values. A value is 10. 2D means 2 times of 10. Now multiply 2 to 10. 2 tens are 20. So 10 plus 20 gives 30. Similarly, fourth term we can write it as A plus 3D. Substitute the values. 10 plus 3 times of 10. Now multiply 3 to 10. We get 30. 10 plus 30 gives 40. Now here four terms of this AP are ready. Therefore, first four terms of AP 10, 20, 30 and 40. Next, let us take second problem. A equals to minus 2 and D equals to 0. Similarly, the first term is minus 2. Hence, you can write A1 equals to A equals to minus 2. And second term, you can write it as A plus D that we have seen in the last problem. Now substitute the values, children. A value is minus 2 and D value is 0. Hence, we get 2 plus 0. As you add 0 to any number, we get same number. Hence, we get minus 2. Similarly, the third term, A3, we can write it as A plus 2D. Substitute the values. Minus 2 plus 2 into 0. Now, 2 multiply to 0, we get 0 only. So, minus 2 plus 0 gives minus 2. Next, fourth term, we can write it as A plus 3D. Substitute the values. Minus 2 plus 3 times of 0. As you multiply 3 to 0, it gives 0 only. Hence, minus 2 plus 0, it gives minus 2 only. Just look at the values what we have got it, children. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 only. See, if you have just a common sense, when D is 0, in that case, all terms will be same. That is the thing you wanted to keep it in the mind. Hence, here, first four terms of this AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2 only. Next, let us move on to another problem. A equals to 4, D equals to minus 3. Write the first term. And second term, I hope you know how to write now. That is A plus D. Now substitute the values. A value is 4 plus of minus 3. Children, this you want to learn. Thus, how I have written? Look at here. See, this plus I have written as it is. But D value only minus 3. Hence, you want to write that minus 3 inside the bracket. That is the very important thing you want to observe and you must learn. Now multiply the signs. Plus into minus is minus 3. So we get 4 minus 3. It gives answer is 1. Next A3, that we can write it as A plus 2D. Substitute the values. 4 plus 2 times of minus 3. Now multiply 2 to minus 3, we get minus 6. 4 minus 6, we get minus 2. You may ask how we got minus 2, because here the greater number is 6. In front of the greater number, what sign is present, that we have to write. Next A4, that we can write it as A plus 3D. Substitute the values. 4 plus 3 times of minus 3. Now multiply plus 3 to minus 3, it gives minus 9. Hence 4 minus 9 gives the answer minus 5. Now our all 4 terms are ready. Hence the first 4 terms of this AP are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Next take another problem. A equals to minus 1 and D equals to 1 by 2. So A is always a first term, hence A equals to minus 1. Now A2 we can write it as A plus D. Substitute the values. Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. And here the D is a rational number, hence you have to be careful and learn how to add or subtract this. Here in denominator nothing is there, take 1. Now multiply the denominators. 1 into 2 is 2. That I have written in denominator place. Now do the cross multiplication. Minus 1 multiply to 2, we get minus 2. And here as I said 1 will be there. 1 multiply to 1 will get plus 1 only. Now denominator write as it is. Here minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1. Therefore answer is minus 1 by 2. Next third term. We know that how to write this. A plus 2D. Substitute the values. And we get minus 1 plus 2 times of 1 by 2. And here this denominator 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. And we left out with minus 1 plus 1. These 2 gets cancelled and gives answer is 0. Next fourth term. We can write it as A plus 3D. Substitute the values. Minus 1 plus 3 times of 1 by 2. Now we cannot cancel as we did it here. Hence 3 multiplied to 1, we get 3 by 2. Now you know how to solve this, because look at here how we solve this part. In the similar way we have to solve this. Under the minus 1 there is no any number, hence take 1. Now 1 multiplied to 2, we get 2. That you write it in the denominator here. And do the cross multiplication now. Minus 1 2 is a minus 2 and 1 3 is a 3. Now simplify the numerators. Minus 2 plus 3 gives 1. Hence answer is 1 by 2. Now all 4 terms are ready. Those are minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. Next let us jump into another problem. A equals to minus 1.25 and D equals to minus 0.25. Here write the first term as it is, that is minus 1.25, and take the second term and write it as A plus D and substitute the values, children. A value is minus 1.25 plus, but look at the D value. It is in negative sign, hence don't forget to take it inside the bracket. That is the very important thing. Now let us multiply the signs first here. Plus into minus is minus. Hence we get minus 1.25 minus 0.25. And here there are decimal numbers. When both the numbers having negative sign, we have to add and put negative sign. But let us see how to add decimals. So look at here. I have taken both the numbers one under another. Now add 5 to 5, we get 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. I have written 0 and 1 is carry. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 plus 0 is 1 only, and don't forget to put the decimal point. And both numbers are in negative sign, hence put negative sign for your answer. And here I have shown addition only for this part. For the remaining part you have to do for yourself. See, when we add these two numbers, I have got minus 1.50. Next, let us move on to third term, that is a plus 2d. Substitute the values, and here plus 2 multiplied to minus 0.25. So we get that minus 1.25 minus 0.50. Now as I added two numbers here, in similar way add these two numbers, and this gives answer is minus 1.75. Let's jump into the fourth term, that we can write it as a plus 3d. Substitute the values, and here 3 multiplied to minus 0.25. So we get that 0.75. Now add these two numbers, it gives answer is minus 2.00. It's nothing but minus 2 only. Now all four terms are ready. Those are minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75 and 2. Next, let us move on to another main. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. The first problem is 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, so on. Understand the problem first, children. Here APs are given. We need to find first term and common difference. Look at the given AP. Here the very first term is 3. Children, when first term we know that is only the value of a, hence there is no such difficult in finding first term. A is the first term, hence first term is 3. Next, let us find the common difference, and you know that how to find the common difference that we learnt in our earlier class. Can you remember the formula? That yes, that is D equals to A2 minus A1. What is the meaning of A2? That is second term. What is second term here? 1. And what is A1? A1 is nothing but 3. That is the first term. Now substitute these values. A2 is 1. A1 is 3. Now subtract 1 minus 3. We get minus 2. So first term is 3 and the common difference is minus 2. Let's take another problem. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. Here the very first term is minus 5 and it is the value of minus 5. So a value is minus 5. Children, it is not 3. You just write it as a value is minus 5. And now let us find the value of D. D finding formula is A2 minus A1. So A2 value is minus 1. Substitute that. This minus is as it is I have written here, and A1 value only minus 5. Hence don't forget to put minus 5 inside the bracket. Now let us multiply minus into minus, that is plus. So minus 1 plus 5. Solve this, it gives answer 4. Therefore A value is minus 5 and D value is 4. Next, take another problem. Here there are rational numbers, children. So be careful. 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3, so on. But easily we can solve because the denominators are same. Anyhow, let us find the first term. First term is nothing but A, hence A is equals to 1 by 3. And D finding formula is A2 minus A1. Substitute the values. A2 is the second term. So here the second term is 5 by 3. So write 5 by 3 minus A1 is 1 by 3. Now look at the denominators, children. Denominators are same. When denominators are same, easily you can add or subtract. So here there is minus symbol, hence we have to subtract. Write denominator one time and subtract the numerator. 5 minus 1 is 4, hence 4 by 3 is common difference for this problem. Let us take today's last problem, children. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, so on. As I said, always first term is A. So A equals to 0.6. Now let us find D. D finding formula is A2 minus A1. Substitute the values. 1.7 minus 0.6. Subtract these two decimal numbers. So we get the answer is 1.1. It is the value of D. Dear students, I hope you have understood these two mains. In the next class, we come up with another problems. Thank you.